guy who reached out to me and he told me that he has also a similar case. Yeah, now he was he had a policewoman girlfriend. Yeah. Yes.
Oh, twali iria cia mundu uria wa makombat uria wa fedha
ni wa fedha ndia ichukio ndia honongera jecha imore kenguire ni ndia kiri na girlfriend yakwa na ari mucigari
yes
ari muthigari na ngabona rigwa ni ageretie tondu kaingi nyo na thigari wiciviria ni na gukoro cio no ukoritoire
ati wewe mundu wewe na mutumia le muthigari na ne mune girlfriend na ne muthigari ai
Namai arumene mageragia by the way.
Akere kuria kweta gukwikirira pio kwikira maguta. Igwate kari nira ikira maguta. Nira maguta.
Era gorethi. Atira herethi. Ukirito ngacoka kahorera.
Gutire kondo kinyitu.
Atire handu hutethio ni mundu.
Akere kuoko. You are just a civilian and you are in love with a policewoman.
Of course, they are human beings.
Yes, they are. But you see, policewoman should move with another policeman.
No, they take a special kind of men. Not just any man who can handle them. These are disciplined forces.
Yes.
Yeah. And you are indisciplined.
Yeah. That is the problem.
That's where the problem lies.
You are indisciplined.
Yes.
Na kwa rembo tawera na disciplined forces.
Exactly.
Yes.
Kakira kona they rhyme.
Yes.
Remember the disciplined forces they rhyme. Na acio tondu wa kiganjo. Weri. Utuikanagia ri abai na kibo na kuria kungi. Disciplined ri.
Umaga na nyanya hado cio nduku hado akuma kirabu kana kuma hari ore winuke urathi kuingira kirabu kingi
oyagira
kirabu kingi na nyanya cio nduku
kirabu hopping
kirabu hopping
ndugota na mundu discipline
akuna you can't